Well, hello there, kids. You ready? Come on. Wheezer's waiting for you. It's the first time they've been out of their enclosure. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on. I'm going to put you back and do one at a time. Yep, you guys stay in there. You, come with me. Come on. What do you think, Wheeze? Smells good, huh? What am I doing? What do we got here? We got Dex, Wheezer. Hey, Wheezer. Wheezer. Yeah. And who else is in here? We got. See. What? More FUD for the kitten. Damn. Clean that face. What? Wow. Hey. Oh, Wheezer just jumped into the... Hey, Wheezer. What are you doing with that baby? Huh? Wheezer just hopped into the pen, and she's now, hey, that's my toy. What are you doing with my toy?
Fight Club?
Huh?
Fight Club?
No, not Fight Club. She's just kind of sniffing. Hey, what do you think of that baby?
That baby ripe? That baby's not ripe. You may go over that wall.
Did she just hiss at Wheezer?
No, she might have.
Did you just hiss at Wheezer?
Or Wheezer just exhaled. I'm not sure. It's hard to tell. The other one.
Oh, so
Wheezer's
that's
going to play with
yeah,
the
that's my
toys.
ping pong ball. What do you think, Wheezer? You want to spend the day in here with them? Wheezer.
Cassidy likes Wheezer.
Yeah. Oh, he's going to teach her how to play. Excellent. Oh, yeah, pull up the mats.
Mm-hmm.
That's
Tags
nice.
are great. Best toy. One of the best toys. Along with twist ties.
Uh-oh.
Told you.
Gonna make an escape. It's like, Daddy.
Daddy.
Hey, Wheezer, that's not your kitty litter.
She's not in the
Oh,
kitchen. She's walking around it. Almost can look in the mirror.
And back that way.
Does he register?
Hey, Wheeze.
Wheeze, is that Wheezer Jr.? Is that Wheezer Jr.?